I joined Empower to get involved in activities that related to the African American community at PROS and in the Houston community as well. I think it's really important to have people that you can relate to who have a similar background to show you that there's people like you that have achieved great things.
I joined Empower to bring my knowledge, my skills, and my background to the group, and also to put out there that the diversity at PROS extends into the community as well as the company.
I joined Empower because I wanted to help my community and reach out more to the African American community to see that it's like PROS is a very diverse place to work.
I joined Empower because I thought it was very important to bring awareness to different topics and discussions that directly impact African Americans. It's inclusive. It's definitely not something to be exclusive.
So the mission statement for Empower is to attract and retain Black talent here at PROS. And we do that through different methods. We do it through professional development, cultural awareness, and also recruiting efforts as well, because the whole goal is to be as diverse as our customers.
We're at the recruiting events at the local universities and speaking one-on-one. So in a crowd of people at a college recruitment, they can see that there's African Americans representation, and so they will think about PROS. PROS cares, PROS is reaching out to the underrepresented groups in the community.
Empower to me means to uplift in a sense of like helping people and helping the community and outreach.
I really like our hashtag lunch bag event because that's more community service driven, where we put together lunches and also distribute those to the Star of Hope as well. So those are some of the activities that we have been involved in at PROS.
What I'm hoping Empower will do is when I'm going out into the community and we're recruiting, that other African Americans will think about being engineers, being software developers, going into marketing, and having a face that looks like them. I'm hoping that'll help them achieve those sorts of goals, because it definitely helped me.
Showing them the way to move along their career path and to help them to become the best that they can be for PROS and for themselves as well.
I think by sharing that awareness and sharing those topics, it makes PROS more well-rounded. It makes it easier for us to collaborate.
You can achieve things when you put your mind to it. Your color, your race has nothing to do with it. PROS has shown us that they are behind us. African Americans are at PROS. We are in key positions at PROS.
I think being here at PROS for 11.5 years, I've seen us come a long way of introducing the Employee Resource Group. It just shows that, we're multifaceted, and me being a Black woman here at PROS, I'm able to provide my input in different avenues and know that it's going to be heard and it can be impacting.